So little bit, so that style I'm only going to use hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I am back again after a long time bringing a video for you guys. So I'm sorry for that, but yes, I was busy in some stuff, like I was not able to create any of the video for you guys. For that I'm sorry, but right now here's a video for you. Must have read by the title that this is all about the glam makeup in a budget. Like we all know that the lockdown period has started again in the country, so we all had to wear the mask. We had to protect ourselves while going out, or there are some people like who have to work in such a pandemic also, so they have to wear the mask and must they have to wear the makeup. So here's the video, like how you can make your makeup bulletproof by not transferring your makeup towards the mask, and also it's going to be a budget friendly, like you don't have to buy the much expensive products. So जब हम बात करते हैं कि हमें बजट पे काम करना है, हमें अपने बजट में मेकअप करना है, the first brand which I got into my mind is Maybelline. सो मैं आज सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो भी यूज़ करूँगी सब मेबेलिन के होने वाले हैं, लाइक all going to be budget friendly. So you guys must have known that I love Maybelline and also the Fit Me range must. the मतलब कि Maybelline में मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा Fit Me range ही सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है, and you guys, here are my Maybelline products. So I'm going to use the Maybelline products today. This range is super affordable. You can buy it from anywhere, and seriously जब भी हम इससे मेकअप करते हैं ना, इसका बेस इतना फ्लॉलेस आई हाईली रिकमेंड दैट यू मस्ट ट्राई दिस फाउंडेशन. और कोई नहीं, सबको छोड़ दो, यही सबसे बेस्ट है इफ़ यू वांट टू वेयर दिस रेगुलरली ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस. इट्स बेस्ट. सो हम ज़्यादा टाइम ना वेस्ट कर रहे, मेकअप पे चलते हैं सीधा. बट येस, मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्राइमर, मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड प्राइमर लगा चुकी हूँ. सो आई एम directly starting with my foundation part. So I have two foundations with me in two shades, like one is 220 natural beige and this is 128 warm nude. Generally I mix these both shades to make my own shade, but right now I'm only going to use the foundation in the shade 220 natural beige. Okay, so this is the one layer of foundation. Right now I'm not going to apply the further layers of foundation, and directly I'm going to take the concealer. I have two concealers with me. That is, one is Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand, number is 20, and the other one I have is the Maybelline Eraser concealer in the shade 110 Fair. Like ज़्यादा वैसे ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको कंसीलर ज़्यादा अप्लाई करने की, जस्ट द वन लेयर इज़ इनफ ऑफ कंसीलर. दिस shade I use to cancel out my darkness or some redness on my face, and this concealer is mainly used to enhance your under eye and to lighten up your base. So I'm using this concealer first. Wherever it feels like there is some darkness, you can apply the concealer over there. This is basically to cut out the darkness, so why not? So stop there, you don't have to go further. If you are like me, if you like to enhance your under eye and to enhance your base, you can use this concealer. Otherwise this much base is perfect, you don't have to go further. But I just like to brighten up my base, that's why I use this concealer. So okay, so you can see how flawless the base is looking. You don't have to go much layers of foundation over and over, just a normal layer and a concealer if you like. So the next part after this is baking. This is the most important step. अगर आपने ये step ढंग से नहीं किया तो आपका बेस जो भी आपने मेकअप किया है वो सब मास्क के ऊपर ट्रांसफ़र होने वाला है. सो अगर आप बेकिंग अच्छे से कर लोगे, अपने बेस को बुलेट प्रूफ बनाओगे, तभी आपका मेकअप अच्छे से टिकने वाला है. सो लेट मी शो यू द राइट स्टेप ऑफ डूइंग दिस. So guys, for baking you have to take the beauty blender, you have to damp it, not completely squeeze it, मतलब थोड़ा सा damp रहना चाहिए. और take this and take this powder and stamp it here. Again, so what you have to do is take the powder, stamp it here, and from the another side press the powder inside. So your base is going to be mattified. So this is how you can lock your base. इससे आपका base कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. But for me the baking works best. But अगर आपको baking नहीं सूट करती, so you can normally take the brush and you just take the powder and put it here and just remove that. That's also a good idea, but this is best for me. So now I'm removing the excess powder. Okay, so you can see it's completely mattified and literally don't going to be transfer anywhere. So right now I'm bronzing up my face a little bit. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. मैंने अपना बेस तो कंप्लीट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट आई एम डूइंग माई आई शेडो. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करने वाली, जस्ट अ सिंगल कलर आई शेडो. सो उससे पहले मैं अपनी आईब्रोज कर लेती हूँ. So next I'm using this Maybelline Master Strobe Stick. It's a illuminating highlighter. It's in a stick form, so you can see. Oh, okay, so you have to directly put on this. you see the glow? Oh my god, I just love this stick, you know. मतलब ये मुझे नायका पे बहुत कम अवेलेबल, मतलब ये मुझे नायका पे बहुत कम अवेलेबल दिखी थी, बट जिस दिन दिखी मैंने उसी दिन उठा ली थी इसे. Last step which is left is the only lipstick. So I'm using this lipstick, liquid lip lacquer matte, which is from Avon. It's in the shade M02, Dare to be Bare. This is, I just love this shade, you know. It's super matte, super, you know, it's super matte, like मक्खन, बहुत ही अच्छे से स्प्रेड होती है. सो आई एम पुटिंग दिस ऑन. सो उसके ऊपर मैं डबल करूँगी विद दिस Maybelline शेड 660 टच ऑफ स्पाइस. सो मैं इसके ऊपर इसको लगा रही हूँ. मैं अब लास्ट स्टेप क्या कर रही हूँ कि मैं फिर से एक बार बेकिंग पाउडर फिर से ले रही हूँ लाइक दिस, एंड मैं ये सिर्फ चीक्स के ऊपर लगाऊंगी, सो दैट द वन टू सील द डील, जस्ट फॉर दैट, एंड इट्स डन. सो दैट जो भी आपका होगा ना, जो भी थोड़ा सा बहुत भी रह गया होगा, वो भी आपका पूरा अच्छे से पैक हो जाएगा. Okay, so now it's the testing time. Okay, so ये रहा मेरा mask. Okay. Ooh, I'm just loving this base. Okay. Okay, so now I'm putting my mask on like this. Okay. Oh, there's nothing on the mask, there's nothing. So you can see कि आपको अपना बेस इतने अच्छे से प्रूव कर लेना है कि इसके ऊपर कुछ भी नहीं आने वाला है, कुछ भी नहीं आने वाला है. So girls, I think this video is helpful for you, so that you don't have, so that कि आपका मेकअप खराब नहीं होगा. आपको रोज मास्क लगा के जाना है, आप जाओ, आपको मास्क भी पहनना होता है तो वो भी पहनोगे आप, बट आपका मेकअप कहीं नहीं जाने वाला if you follow these rules. Okay, so guys, if you think this video is helpful for you guys, and if you like this tutorial and enjoyed this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from my channel. And much more videos are lined up, so stay tuned for that. And also guys, stay safe, stay home, wear mask and protect yourself. So till then, take care and bye bye.